Yes, children. Now, in continuation, I am going to tell you the words, the terminology used in spherical mirrors. Now, this terminology will be using in the complete chapter. So, now you should be familiar with these words. Terminology used in spherical mirrors. Children, this is very important video. Abhi you watch it, you may watch it later also, so that you are familiarized with the words which I am going to use again and again in this chapter. After showing you the words here, in the study group also I'll send the definition of all the words which I am using here. See children, this is the spherical mirror, and I hope you can see which mirror is this. Yes, this is concave mirror. Now children, exactly midpoint of this part, this is one part of the complete sphere. Can you imagine a complete sphere of this? Can you imagine? Yes children, this mirror is one part of this sphere, and the midpoint of this part is called pole. P is children pole, which is mid point of spherical surface, that is mirror. Spherical mirror का बिल्कुल center mid point is called pole. Then children, a line is going straight from the pole. From the pole a line is going straight. This is called principal axis. Children, this line is called principal axis. Principal axis is a line which is passing from pole and the point of center of the mirror. So we write principal axis is a straight line joining pole and center of curvature. Abhi I'll come to this. What is center of curvature? What is center of curvature children? I hope you can see this is a complete sphere. Then this must have a center. Then the sphere, this complete sphere if I draw, suppose it has a center here. Can you imagine if this is the sphere, this is the center? This C is called children center of curvature, and this center of curvature is actually center of that complete circle, complete sphere which you can see from here. Write its definition. I'll send in the group while writing the complete definition, don't worry. Now there is a point which is between pole and center, exactly midpoint. This is called F, and F is called focus, right? Focus is a point where all the rays parallel to principal axis will pass. Now suppose I keep a object here. Children, this is object, and this object has a height which is called h. Okay children, and there is a image. Suppose image is formed at this point. The